You say you want it, so come and get it the hard way. Could be platonic, but gotta know how to move me. It's not ironic, you're taking over my body.
Hey you! Good morning. Andito ako ngayon sa park kasi inutusan ako ni Mami na maghanap ng spot kasi meron silang team building na mangyayari today. Medyo inagahan ko lang yung pagpunta ko kasi later on magiging crowded na tong place na to kasi it's a well-known public park. Time check, it's 8:10. Medyo wala pa akong tulog but it's fine. Kailangan ko talaga pumunta dito ng maaga para makapag-secure ng spot for them. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue what I'm doing and see you guys in a bit. So ito yung setup. Yung table is galing yan mismo sa park. Then nagdala ako ng dalawa pang extra tables. And then if ever gusto man nilang ilagay yung tent, pwede nilang ilagay dito kasi malapit din siya sa barbecue area. And they have all this space para sa activities nila. Di ba ang galing ko? Charot. Anyway, malapit lang din yung area na to, dun mismo sa beach. Tara, puntahan natin.
I'm a little too into you. Got my head over my shoes, but I like it, I like it. I'm a little too into you. Got me up over the moon, but I like it, I like it.
Ay, okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone.
Wow! Saan mo ito nabili?
Sa Pinas pala.
Oh? Sino umuwi?
Taga-bang house na ako.
Oh? Babay ka na. Bye po. Ingat.
Top of the TV, it coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a variant or an experience. You gotta get up and do what it do. So complicated, homie, it's you. Always gonna wait until you in the mood. I've been running, came out gunning, stopped the fronting on your word. It's what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hang on every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day I'm on the earth till they put me in the dirt. I'ma get into it first.
Solo no todo le como Lewandowski. High key, baby, nunca low key. Yo tengo el drip, preguntar a mi broski. Tres líneas, triple loski. Solo no todo le como Lewandowski. High key, baby, nunca low key.
Kumain ka na ba? Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Por la carrera, tan veloz cuando yo quemo la carretera. Y si no tienes estilo, es pa' afuera. ¿Qué vas? Ustedes solo saben copiar, pero le gusta criticar y le encanta odiar. Puedo decir que soy de calle, pero el único delito que en verdad es cometido es solamente robar.
Hoy! Ba't may nawa kang itlog niya?
Ready! Get set! Go! Oh, sige! 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 Wala! Oh yeah! Best! Lalagay mo sa ulo mo! This one on your...
Yan, ganyan, oo.
Tapos hawakan mo lang.
Baka iba mahawakan mo.
Go!
Hindi ko na. Ako nung pinagod ka kaya medyo.
Oh, sige. Sige. Ha? Go, next. Bias to manager. Bias.
Teamwork.
Hindi ka kasama sa games, hindi ka kasama. Huwag mo ilagay mo diyan lang.
Teamwork na.
Huwag mo iaabot sa kami. Huwag madaya to. Inaabot niya yung bote.
Galing no?
Walang enjoy.
Yung lechon! Huwag kalimutan yung lechon!
Uy, sinagalan din ako lechon.
Yung ulo! Yung ulo talaga yung Balutin mo ako ng iwagan ay iyong pagmamahal.
Daming pinalo.
Susunugin ko ang bahay nung kumuha ng humba! Halati oh! 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3
Ikaw na?
Scam like Hey, please do not text to me. I'm trying to get it. Working to become the best of me. I'm doing my job. That includes whipping and keeping the recipes. I cannot stop. I gotta get it till legends are next to me. Till legends are next to me. Hey, please do not text to me. I'm trying to get it. Working to become the best of me. I'm doing my job. That includes whipping and keeping the recipes. I cannot stop. I gotta get it till legends are next to me. Till legends are next to me. Okay, 2X beat this shirt, but I been hitting the gym.
Hi, how are you? Good. May I please have this lavender honey latte?
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please. Thank you. And also, what is that one with the green?
Pistachio milk cake?
Yeah, pistachio.
Anything else?
That's it, please.
That was for here?
Yes, please.
I did the grave shit on the page.
But like, I understand.
Got my order. Ang laki ng servings nila. This is the pistachio cake. Tingnan mo yung size niya. And also, this one is the lavender latte. Sobrang sarap tingnan. It's fine.
You do marketing for business?
Oh no, this is just for my YouTube videos. Yeah.
I ask you, maybe I need you sometime to business something. Like, can
Why?
I take your Instagram or maybe
Sure.
YouTube
Yeah.
or your number?
Yeah, I can give you my number.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my phone number, and my name is James. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Yeah,
too.
of course.
James, huh?
Yes, correct. May lumapit sa akin na lalaki kasi nakikita niya na nag-video ako, and then he asked for my number. Don't worry, it's just for business. I think he owns a business, and he asked if pwede daw din ba akong gumawa ng video sa business niya. Sabi niya sa akin, ipakontak niya daw ako. So, let's see. Anyway, let's try this. I'm here for the food and also for the coffee. First bite. Sobrang moist niya. Sobrang lambot. Tapos lasang-lasa ko yung pistachio. This is so good. I love good food. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh. So let's try the coffee. This is the lavender latte. And sobrang laki ng serving. But I love it. I love coffee. Let's try. Wow. That is so good. Mas masarap pa to kaysa sa lavender latte ng Starbucks. Love it. Okay, enough muna yung food review, no? Hindi naman tayo food journalist or food critic. Charot lang. Siyempre, andito na ako sa coffee shop. Magjo-journal ako. Ano sa gagawa ko ng mga content plan ko. Kaya, leave me alone. Charot. Okay, bye. Hindi pa pala bye. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung planner ko na binigay sa akin ng bestie ko from the Philippines. Hi, Sarah. Ang cute niya, promise. Gamit na gamit ko siya. Planner talaga siya. Pero ginagawa ko din siya ng journal and also content creation plan. So, yun lang. Bye ulit. Sobrang sarap niya pero sobrang busog ko na. Bakit kasi laki ng serving? Hindi ko talaga siya kayang ubusin so ipapatake out ko na lang. Sayang naman. Sayang yung binayad ko. Can I have a takeout box please? Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much. There you go. Pero, anyway, itatry ko siya. Scan. Good. Ano ba yan? Wala pala akong credit card. Okay, balik. Okay, back to the car. Just gonna get my credit card. Nag-scan na ako. And then nakalimutan ko pala yung credit card ko. Local regulations require all riders to wear a helmet. Lo, wala akong helmet. Wear a helmet and take a selfie to start this ride. Ano ba yan? False alarm na naman ulit. Wala akong helmet. Wala, nga. Di tayo magra-ride. Sarap dito. Hindi naman sa tinatanong nyo ako or interested kayo, pero andito ako ngayon sa Riverside sa Windsor, Ontario. Tanaw na tanaw ko yung US side habang andito ako sa kabila. So, nasa Canada pa rin tayo. Anyway, nakapunta na din man ako dun sa other side, which is the Detroit, Ohio, US. And kasama ko si Mami nung time na nag-cross kami ng border. Naalala ko pa nung first time namin mag-cross ng border, sobrang kabado niya kasi may slight difference yung regulations ng road nila compared dito sa Canada. For example, kilometers per hour ang takbo namin dito, samantalang doon is miles per hour. So kapag bago ka, hindi mo talaga matatansya yung takbo mo. Sa awa ng Diyos, safe naman tayo nakadating sa pinuntahan namin, which is the mall, and also pumunta din kami sa museum. And hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero hindi na namin nasundan yung yung pagpunta namin sa US. Pero ako, personally, ilang beses na nakapunta doon. And actually, maganda din sa US doon sa Detroit, maganda din doon. Dito naman sa Riverside, lagi ko siyang pinupuntahan kasi ang sarap niya mag-senti dito. Alam mo yung napapanood mo lang siya sa movies, sa YouTube, or sa other content creators. Tapos ngayon, andito na ako, di ba? Parang ang sarap lang ng feeling na nakaka-proud na finally yung dating pinapangarap ko lang napuntahan is napuntahan ko na. Charot, ang drama! Antayin ko lang yung sunset kasi sobrang ganda ng araw na to. It's a perfect day. Hindi malamig, hindi rin mainit. Hi. Kailangan ko lang i-stop yung pag-record ko pag may dumadaan kasi ayoko naman silang isama sa video ko ng walang consent, di ba? Anyway, daming tao. Unfortunately, hindi ko nagawa yung scooter kasi nga kailangan pala niya ng helmet. Sobrang excited ko pa naman na itry yun pero wala kailangan nating sumunod sa rules. Tsaka ang dami din kasi mga pulis na paikot-ikot dito. So ayoko namang mahuli, no? Mamaya yung vlog ko pa nasa kulungan na ako. Charot, hoy! Katok-katok, walang kahoy, baka lang. Charot. Anyway, i-enjoy ko muna yung sunset, ha? Chill ka lang dyan.